Now based on the area of triangle, what other results we are having? Okay, now one thing is condition for collinearity of 3 points. You are already aware of this. Okay, 3 points, we are having 3 points, 3 points A x1 y1, B x2 y2 and C x3 y3 are collinear, are collinear if and only if area of triangle ABC is equal to 0. So this is a condition, or we can write it, or if and only if x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 1 1 1 is equal to 0. Same condition, okay, to find the area. Now if area of triangle is 0, then points are collinear. Okay, so you can write it, collinear point means points on a straight line. Okay, so you can go with this, a very nice concept for area of a triangle.